What's going on YouTube? Apple here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Checkra1n Jailbreak to your Mac OS. Uh, First of all, I'll show you my current situation of the Checkra1n Jailbreak. I'll go to find and there's no Checkra1n application installed on my Mac. Okay, now I go to Google and type cjb.com/Checkra1n Jailbreak. Also, I will put link in the description. You can get it that from here. Okay, I'll delete that. Now the Checkra1n page will load it. In this page, you can see they have listed a lot of information about Checkra1n Jailbreak and its updates, and Checkra1n Jailbreak device compatibilities and supported iOS device and installation methods. Also, you can follow this guide to help your jailbreak process. Okay, now I press on the download Checkra1n button. Now it will go to download Checkra1n section. Here's the full details, step-by-step guide and other things. Now I press on the download button, and also here's the Checkra1n Jailbreak official website. Now I'll press on the download button. Download Checkra1n for Mac. After clicking that, the DMG file was downloaded. The file is downloaded. I'm zooming my screen. You can see. Then press on the DMG button. Download file. It will open, and you need to drag your Checkra1n icon to applications folder. Hit and drag on to application folder. Then you can see it will automatically go to application sections. Otherwise, you can open your finder and search Checkra1n Jailbreak, or you can go to Launchpad, and here you can see Checkra1n is installed on my iOS. But there's a problem because this developer cannot be verified. So we need to verify this developer from our settings. Go to applications and settings, system properties, then find security and policy. Press on it and scroll down. You need to go to general section. Then yes, you can allow app download from Checkra1n was logged from. Now I press on the paddle icon. I use my password. Then you can open anyway. Press on open anyway button. Now again will pop up. Open. Here's the Checkra1n version 0.2.2 on my PC. Now I need to connect my device to perform my further steps, and also options. You can see options and other instructions they have provided to how to jailbreak your iPhone. Okay, I connect my phone. I am using iOS for this video. Okay, it will detect my iPhone 5s global, iOS 12.4. Okay, now focus my camera. Now you need to press start button. Then your phone will goes to recovery mode. It will done some automatically. You can read this instruction carefully. Then press next button, enter in recovery mode. It will automatically goes to recovery mode. Okay, here's the recovery mode. you can see now it's detect from the Checkra1n Jailbreak tool. Now you need to enter DFU mode by manually. So in my case I need to press on top button and home button, and also you can read these instructions. It's the top button and home button. Then before you do that, you need to start your Checkra1n Jailbreak process from the Checkra1n UI. I again focus my camera to Checkra1n Jailbreak. Okay, now I'm going to press my Checkra1n Jailbreak to start button and read these instructions carefully. Click start, then it will go to DFU mode, then it will start the jailbreak process. Press on that. I press on the start button. Wait. So we need to wait 8 seconds. 5. Okay, now I am on the DFU mode. You can see it's loading, and also you can see Checkra1n logo on my iPhone screen. Waiting. Give it a little bit time. Yes, we done that. You can see the Checkra1n logo, and it will exploiting my device. So waiting for finish our process. Okay, it's prompt printing. Enter my passcode. Enter your passcode after the process. Then make sure to press close button. Don't disconnect your device. Okay, now you can appear Checkra1n Jailbreak application on your home screen. I'll open my Checkra1n Jailbreak application. Then press on Cydia, install Cydia button. After that, you can install Cydia on your iPhone. Then I have already installed Cydia, but now in this case I will install Cydia again. Downloading base system. It will take some time. Bootstrap device, because I already have Cydia. Now Cydia is appear on my home screen. Now I press on the Cydia. You can see the all functions and functions works properly. You can add sources and delete, and you can customize your iPhone, and you can do much more things with Cydia. Here's my today's video. I think this will help you to do something on your iPhone. And also I have good news for jailbreak community, so I would like to share among with us with another video. Thanks for watching my video. Hit subscribe button for get instant jailbreak updates and jailbreak news. Bye for now.